All right, guys. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Got this young lady over here about to prepare lunch for the work crew. She's going to be making some chicken yassa. So that's pretty much fried chicken with, onions, peppers. It's like, yeah, fried chicken with onions, tomatoes, peppers, and all of that stuff. That's what we're gonna have for lunch, right at the riverside. She's preparing vegetables. Let's take a walk around the property. We have. It's very windy today, and the temperature is perfect for outdoor work. We have the electrician finally showed up today, and I got some laborers to help him out, to dig out the pipes. So that's what they're doing right now, marking the pipes, having the pad of the pipes. Abdul, remember we have some water lines running around. Yeah. So this is the pad for the pipe. The solar, the charge controllers and the battery is going to be underneath a tower. Yeah, so the inverter going to be somewhere around here, and the battery is going to be down there. I got 120 volts inverter, 2,000 watts, and I got this one over here. This is MPP Solar Inc. I think there's a 5,000 watts inverter, 240 volts, European style, American style, so I can, power for everything. Then I got these lithium ion fast rate batteries. This is 12 volts. I got 4 of these. It's not enough to power the whole place, but unless for a start, it's going to be able to power one house. Eventually, I'm going to get more of these batteries. I already have some. I just have to ship them out. And these are some of our equipment. These solar panels broke, but I'm going to repair them. We're going to take all of these things out. Yeah, so got a lot of work to do over here. Now I'm using what we have. I have the carpenter working, the painterman working.
This one is not good.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you said he have more here.
Okay.
You know, okay, woman, cut. Oh, that okay,
I'm calling to pick out.
Ayala acid le wala wuda.
This is why I'm going solar. I mean, it's like hot over here pretty much every day. The sun is clear. So I have the carpenter fixing the door. That's the bathroom door. Then I'm gonna have the paint man go over this thing again. One more coat when it's dry. Can I open it?
No, it's not correct.
It's good. It's good?
Okay.
Let me see.
No,
Oh, you're gonna do that?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. It's good like that. Yeah.
you okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's good. Looking good. But see, if you come to 9 o'clock, you was gonna be done. But you came late. This guy. Painter man. Can you take a sandpaper? Hold on. Can you take a sandpaper and just sand this? You know, with the sandpaper, I told this guy to sand it down, or he won't. You understand? This. Now, just this, so they could be smooth. You see that? You know? People, you get a sandpaper? I gave you sandpaper. Yeah, right here. Just, yeah, you just sand it to make it smooth. No, these. See, when it's smooth, when you paint it, it come out good. But if it is not smooth, you know, like these. See that? I think you know how to paint. You know? Oh, well, let me help you out. Yeah, like all these, you know, you're smoothing this thing out, smoothing this out. And let me help you since you're not tall. Okay, let me get out. You're doing good? You're doing a good job. You know, sometimes these people don't know what they're doing. You gotta tell them what to do.
Okay, I have problem. I have problem.
So the pickaxe is no good.
That's what.
They're trying to fix the pickaxe. So you guys, you didn't even tell me how much they charge.
Yeah, because Abdul did not show them the other area. I think that place is supposed to be deep. It's only here and here. So he said when he measured everything, later they can take a book at.
Para hindi nga to.
Oh, only on tong phone aside.
Wali ako wanda.
So pari after yeah when you go there bro down. On hala price wala on food.
Kasi ay na man di. On men lugo le sa de tigi ya haydo. Ay ga wala less man. Ay haydo.
50 centimeters.
With 5 boya less. Est-ce que li ata kila be on ko der moto?
All I want to go there, motor.
All I want to go moto.
Adu. Let him bring the cutlass in the car. This
Yeah,
one
there's
is
some
good.
cutlass in the car.
Yeah, adu. This one is not good.
All this thing need to be done is just sharpen. You know, that's why it's good to take care of your tools that you work with. But
No, but these things normally here, when they come with the original stick, they remove it and put the rubber stick. Because in here, people don't use this one, they use their power. It will break. I think the guy over there, you have seen the protectors, it seems to be nice.
what?
The protectors.
Oh yeah.
I see the color, it's nice.
Yeah.
Especially at the back. Then more.
Wala.
Why you have to peel all that section?
The head cannot.
Okay.
Ese Ramos es. Nanti, anda kalau put nak, gaji kita tu dengan sengko. Faham? Tapi orang bila dia, orang bila. Sebab orang nunggu le ya faham. Saya nak dia mana ni?
Mesti kita tapi mau ya, orang.
Sofri tu gua. Sofri. Wala John, apa nak ni moga?
Orang.
Alright guys. Well, while they're fixing that, I gotta go and do some work inside the house. Until later, I'll stop this video now.